weBoost versus Starlink, which is better for bad signal? Today I ran real-world tests to find out, and if you're struggling with dropped calls, slow data, or no internet at all, this will help you choose the right fix without wasting money. Let's start by clearing up what each option actually does. weBoost is a cell signal booster. It does not create signal on its own. Instead, it takes the weak cell signal you already have, boosts it, and rebroadcasts it inside your home, vehicle, or RV. Starlink, on the other hand, is satellite internet. It doesn't rely on cell towers at all. It connects directly to satellites in space, which makes it a completely different solution. Setting up weBoost is fairly simple. You place an outer antenna where signal is strongest, connect it to the booster, then place the inner antenna where you want better coverage. Once it's powered on, your phone connects automatically with no apps or settings required. If you already have at least a faint cell signal outside, weBoost can dramatically improve call quality and data speeds indoors. Starlink setup is also straightforward but different. You place the dish outside with a clear view of the sky, connect to the router, power it on, and let it align itself. After that, you connect your devices to Wi-Fi like any home network. There's no need for cell service at all, which is why Starlink works in places where phones show no bars. Now let's talk about real-world performance. If your main problem is weak cell signal like dropped calls or slow mobile data, weBoost can be the better and cheaper fix. It improves voice calls, texts, and mobile data for all carriers at once. However, if there's no cell signal to boost, weBoost simply won't work. Starlink shines when cell service is unusable or non-existent. It delivers stable internet speeds for browsing, streaming, and work even in remote areas. The trade-off is cost and power use. Starlink is more expensive upfront and requires steady power, but it provides true internet access where nothing else works. So which one is better for bad signal? If you still get some signal outside and just need it to work better indoors, weBoost is the smarter solution. If you're in a rural or remote with little to no cell coverage, Starlink is the clear winner because it doesn't depend on towers at all. The key is understanding the problem you're trying to solve. weBoost fixes weak signal. Starlink replaces missing signal. Once you know which situation you're in, choosing between them becomes easy and you can finally get reliable connectivity where you need it.